Welcome back everyone. In this video, you'll see a really cool technique using a white epoxy base. It's very simple and easy to do. Check it out.
Okay, I'm going to show you 3 different techniques. We'll split these up into 3 separate videos just so it's not confusing at all. So I'm going to do my first one. On this one, I'm going to do our pigmented white base. And then I'm just going to use our coffee dispersing effects on it. So we're just going to do the whole base coat. And I didn't de-shed this roller, so we'll see how it turns out. Probably gonna have some hairs in here. So when you're doing dispersing effects with isopropyl, if you have thin spots, it can fisheye all the way to the surface. So you see how much I've used here. Yeah, I've used about the right amount. So just pick some of these out real quick. So if you get craters and stuff, that's all you do. You just pat them in. So this is our coffee metallics mixed with our isopropyl alcohol. And I don't want to just spray the whole board. I'm going to do like a stream down the middle, maybe a couple random spots, right? I don't want it to just be the whole, I don't want to just cover the whole board like that, right? Get a couple other spots, maybe a bigger stream, maybe have that run off a little. Something like that, yonder. Get a couple bigger drops out there. This trigger's a little wonky today. And then we'll take our clear and just spritz it. Help open up some of them cells. Pretty cool technique. Like, look, so I want to open this up a little more. See, I like these cells. Some spots are cool, but if I wanted to open that up a little more, just hit it with a little clear. See, it kind of separates it, breaks it up a little. This is perfect. This is exactly what I was wanting to do. I didn't want to hit everything like this. We got some open spots, some white areas. It's really cool looking. So you saw how simple that was. Pigmented white base. Rolled it out, covered everything, then we dispersed it with our coffee. Right after the coffee, we did the clear isopropyl. So if you get close, you can see, like I was talking about earlier, it cratered out to the surface that we coated. All we got to do is just tap that in a little, and then you'll never see those. You got one here, and that's it. So whenever you're doing dispersing effects, you always want to wait for that and look for that, because you don't want to come back the next day and have all these little craters everywhere.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see other cool techniques and looks using a white epoxy base, check out these videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, click that bell button so you don't miss any of our awesome projects. We'll see you guys next time.